Hi there, it's Eileen and welcome to the Hearts. For today's DIY, I'm gonna show you how I made these $5 tree DIY projects. It's very easy and super quick. And in this video, I am also joining an open invite collaboration. The theme is blue, white, and red, hosted by Heidi Sonboul. She's very talented and she's really nice. I love her DIY projects. So make sure to visit her channel. I will put her link in the playlist on the description box below. Yeah, so let's get started. For my first DIY, I will be using these star plate, candle holders, and spray paint that I've got from Walmart. First step, I went outside to spray painted the plate and the candle holder. While waiting for the paint to be dried, here I will make sticker stars using painter's tape on parchment paper. I made two stickers at a time by using painter's tape on both sides of parchment paper. After the plate dried, then I scattered the stickers on the plate, and with the other plate, I used painter's tape to make stripes. I just wrap around the painter's tape on the star plate. Then after doing this, I went back outside to spray paint our plates with navy blue and colonial red spray paint. I let it dry first before flipping it to the other side, and then once it is dried, I went back inside to peel off the painter's tape. After peeling off the star stickers and the painter's tape, I grabbed the candle holder and attach it with E6000 and hot glue. Then when you attach the candle holder and the plate, make sure that they lined up centered before the glue dries. Then after this, I cleaned up the paint with white chalk paint. I give it two coats. I also use the white chalk paint and burnt umber to dry brush the plate. I dab it onto the brush and dab off the excess to the paper towel. You can do this as heavy or light as you want. I wanted to say thank you to all of my amazing subscribers for supporting my channel, and shout out to Luzia Zuniga. She's always supporting me and she's commenting on all of my videos. Hi Lucia, thanks for supporting me and keep it up. I also distressed the candle holder and the plate on top with the burnt umber. Then it looks like this. And after painting and spray painting and distressing, ta-da! It looks like this. I really love how it turned out. And yeah, let's proceed to DIY number 2. For my next DIY, I grabbed this mug, bamboo spoon and fork at Dollar Tree. And for the star stickers, I grab it at Michael's. And here I am measuring where will I cut the bamboo. And I also I cut about 2 inches long, and then I use the loppers to cut it. It's easier because it's made of bamboo. Then I used the sandpaper to smooth it out. Then after that, I went out to spray painted it using this Walmart spray paint, but I don't recommend it because this is what happened on my first coat. It looks like this, and then I tried to do it to put more coats and still look like this, and I tried it again for the third time and I give up. It looks like this. So let's work on that. I will put the stars. I will scatter that again, and then on the on for the fork I will use masking tape. Oh, it's not. Yeah, masking tape. I used the point 0.5 masking tape, and then after wrapping it with masking tape, I went back outside to spray painted it, and then I let it dry and peeled off the masking tape, and it looks like this. I'm not really happy with the paint, so I will touch up with white chalk paint. And then if you will do this project, make sure to use Rust-Oleum spray paint or just use or paint it with the chalk paint. Then I wrap the fork and spoon with the red and blue thread that I've got from Dollar Tree. And here I am distressing our fork and spoon with the burnt umber, and it solves my problem. Then I just glued it together. Then for this DIY, it's very easy. I grabbed this mug at Dollar Tree and I use Sharpie to write the word USA. Yay for the handwriting. And then that's it for this DIY. I hope you like it. It looks like this. Ta-da! For my third DIY, I grabbed this small shadow box at Dollar Tree and I'm gonna use this striped scrapbook. I cut it into size, then I just Mod Podge it in the shadow box. This DIY is very easy, and then I just wrote the stars and stripes on the paper and made ribbons, regular ribbons, and then that's it for this DIY. Then voila, we're done for DIY number 3. And for DIY number 4, this is super easy. I just grab candle and ribbons from Dollar Tree, and then I just wrap it around, and then I grab blue stars ribbons from Joann's and wrap it. And then I made the regular ribbons, and then that's it for this DIY number 4. For our last DIY, I grabbed the ceramic sign from Dollar Tree and also the marker. I If you are not sure with your handwritten, you can use this marker because it's so easy to erase by using the paper towel. And if you want to use the Sharpie, you can also erase it when you're not sure with your handwritten by using paper towel and alcohol. It's so easy to remove. Then, yeah, let's proceed to our project. I used a ruler to guide me and I wrote the word brave. You can write any word that you like. Then I just wrote the word brave and then ta-da! It looks like this. And we completed our tier tray. I just added some greenery and it looks like this. I really love how it turned out, and thank you again for watching. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome here. Thanks for dropping by. Please say hi to me on the comment and let me know what you think of this project. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and please visit Heidi and the playlist on my description box below. See you on my next DIY, guys. Bye bye. Take care and see you soon.